So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve another important design problem which name is Design HashSet. Yeah, in this video I'll explain not just the code but also why we are write each line, how variables are initialized and what's happening internally. So first we will read our problem, which is Design HashSet. So the problem is a design a HashSet without using any built-in hash table libraries. Implement MyHashSet class, void add key, insert the key into the HashSet. Boolean contains key, returns whether the value key exists in the HashSet or not. Void remove key, remove the value key in the HashSet. If key doesn't exist in the HashSet, do nothing. So the problem says we need to design a HashSet without using built-in libraries, and we have to implement three functions: add key, insert a value, remove key, delete a value, contains key, check if value exists. Also important point, there should be no duplicates because it's a set, right? So let's think in the simplest way possible. The key range is given from 0 to 1 million, right? Or in India 10 lakh. Got it? So we can use a Boolean array, right? Why Boolean array? Because in a set we only care about presence or absence, not values, right? So let's this is our what class, which name called MyHashSet, and right. So this will act as our custom data structure, and now here we declare a Boolean array called set, right? Array called set Boolean sorry for that, Boolean array called set. Got it? Right. And here we declare a Boolean array called set. So why Boolean? Right? So because true key exists or false key doesn't exist. So instead of storing values, we are just whether a key is present or not, right? We are just storing whether a key is present or not. Got it? Or here is our constructor, which name is MySet, right? So this is the constructor. It runs automatically when we create the object. Got it? Yeah. Now here we initialize array. Why size? Here we initialize our array, which set equals to new boolean, right? 100000001. Got it? And why 1,000,001? Yeah, or we can say 10 lakh 1, because key range from 0 to 1 million. So we need to one index for each possible key, and by default all we'll use in a Boolean array are false. So no key exists in the set, and by default all values in a Boolean array are false. So initially no exist in the set, right? And now we have our add method, and just hit enter here, and this function adds a key. We are having this add function, and this function adds a key. What we are doing, we go index equals to key and mark it as a true, right? So what we have to do, set key equals to true, right? So here we are doing what, we go to the index equals to key and mark it's true. So basically we are saying this key is now present. Got it? And now we have another function which name is remove. So to remove a key, we simply mark it as a false. Simple. So set key equals to false. Got it? Yeah. So because false means not present. Yeah. We are not deleting anything physically, but just updating its state. Yeah. So now we have another function which name is contains. So this function checks if a value or if a key exists, right? So we directly return the value at index equals to key. Yeah, we directly return the value at index equals to key. If true, so key exists. If false, key doesn't exist, right? So return, sorry for that, return set key. Got it? Return set key. Yeah, right. So now, yeah, it's done. Now we need to run this code. So just click on his run button. So just we need to run this. Just click on it to run button. Yeah, it's perfectly work, and now we need to submit it. So just click on the submit button. Yeah, it's perfectly work. So this way we solve this problem. Got it? Yeah. So all operation add, remove, and contains takes big of one times because we directly access the array, right? So this work, the question is why this works. This works because key range is small and fixed. We can directly map key to index. This is called direct addressing. Got it? But the question is have a limitation, but there is a drawback we can say. So we are using a large array even if we store few elements, right? So fast but memory heavy. Okay, so that's how you design a hash set from scratch using a simple and efficient approach. If you understand this clearly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. So bye bye.